Assalamu alaikum दोस्तों. Subscribe to our YouTube channel Speak English Fluently and click on the bell icon to receive my new notification first. So let's start and be attentive. उसे बुरा भला मत कहो. Don't badmouth him. Don't badmouth him. आपने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? अल्लाह पर भरोसा रखो. Have faith in Allah. Have faith in Allah. मुझे सियासत में कोई दिलचस्पी नहीं. I have no interest in politics. I have no interest in politics. हम पूरी तरह आपके साथ हैं. We are absolutely with you. We are absolutely with you. तुम खामखा परेशान हो. You are unnecessarily worried. You are unnecessarily worried. चलो ऐसा ही सही. Okay, let it be so. Okay, let it be so. अपना ही घर समझिए. Make it your home. Make it your home. मैंने जैसे ही इसे देखा. As soon as I saw him. As soon as I saw him. मेरा सर मत खाओ. Don't bother me. Don't bother me. उसने मेरी जेब कतर ली. He picked my pocket. He picked my pocket. मजाक के अलावा यह सच बात है. Joking apart, it's true. मैं यही जानना चाहता था. That's what I wanted to know. That's what I wanted to know. खुद को संभालो. Compose yourself. Compose yourself. मैं वहाँ थोड़ी देर के लिए बैठा. I sat there for a while. I sat there for a while. अपने दिमाग पर इतना जोर मत डालो. Don't stress yourself too much. तुम बिला वजह उदास हो जाते हो. You become sad for no reason. You become sad for no reason. मैं यही जानना चाहता था. That's what I wanted to know. That's what I wanted to know. मेरा पीछा छोड़ दो. Get off my back. Get off my back. मैं बालों में कंघी करता हूँ. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. मैं लिबास पहनता हूँ. I get dressed. I get dressed. मैं नहाता हूँ. I take a shower. I take a shower. मैं 7:30 बजे उठ जाता हूँ. I get up at 7:30 o'clock. I get up at 7:30 o'clock. मैं 2 बजे खाना खाता हूँ. I eat lunch at 2 o'clock. I eat lunch at 2 o'clock. मैं 5 बजे काम कर देता हूँ. I finish work at 5 o'clock. I finish work at 5 o'clock. मैं 5:30 बजे घर पहुँच जाता हूँ. I arrive home at 5:30 o'clock. मैं रात का खाना बनाता हूँ. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. मैं रोज 7 बजे जाग जाता हूँ. I wake up at 7 o'clock daily. मैं 9 बजे काम शुरू करता हूँ। I start work at 9 o'clock. I start work at 9 o'clock. मैं काम के लिए निकलता हूँ। I go to work. I go to work. आप मुझ पर क्यों भड़क रहे हो? Why are you getting mad at me? Why are you getting mad at me? मैं गुस्से में होश खो देता हूँ। I lose my mind in anger. I lose my mind in anger. क्या मुसीबत है? What the heck? What the heck? मैं तुम्हें छोड़ूंगा नहीं। I won't spare you or I will not spare you. कौन कहता है? Who says? Who says? मेरी लाश पर से। Over my dead body. Over my dead body. वो अपने स्टूडेंट्स के साथ शदीद गुस्सा था। He was furious with his students. मतलब क्या है तुम्हारा? What do you mean? What do you mean? तुम मेरे साथ ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हो? How could you do this to me? How could you do this to me? हिम्मत कैसे हुई तुम्हारी? How dare you? How dare you? बस बहुत हुआ। Enough is enough. Enough is enough. जो भी हो, whatever. 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 इतने लापरवाह कैसे हो सकते हो? How could you be so careless? How could you be so careless? लिख लो मेरी बात। Mark my words. Mark my words. कर लो जो करना है। Do whatever you want to do. Do whatever you want to do. सब तुम्हारी वजह से हुआ। It's all because of you. It's all because of you. आवाज़ नीचे। Lower your voice. Lower your voice. तुम जानते नहीं मैं कौन हूँ। You have no idea who I am. You have no idea who I am. तुम गलत बंदे से पंगा ले रहे हो। You are messing with the wrong person. You are messing with the wrong person. अपनी औकात में रहो। Be in your limit. Be in your limit. अपनी ज़ुबान को लगाम दो। Keep check on your tongue. Keep check on your tongue. तुम यहाँ आए क्यों? What brings you here? What brings you here? उंगली मत दिखाओ। Don't point your fingers at me. Don't point your finger at me. चले जाओ, नहीं तो मैं तुम्हारा गर्दन तोड़ दूंगा। Go away or I'll break your neck. तुम्हें तो सबक सिखाऊंगा मैं। I will teach you a lesson. I will teach you a lesson. दांत तोड़ दूंगा तुम्हारे। I will break your teeth. I will break your teeth. चाहे कुछ भी हो तुम्हें पैसे नहीं दूंगा। Come what may, I won't give you money. तब पर लगाऊंगा तुम्हें। I will slap you. I will slap you. I will slap you. हिम्मत है तो ऐसा करके दिखाओ. Do it if you are bold enough. Do it if you are bold enough. आपने मेरे भाई को गाली देने की हिम्मत कैसी की? How dare you abuse my brother? How dare you abuse my brother? मैं तुम्हें गोली मार दूंगा. I will shoot you. I will shoot you. दूर हो जाओ मेरी नज़रों से. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. मजमे में हर कोई हैरान खड़ा था. Everyone in the crowd was stunned. Everyone in the crowd was stunned. मैं लगातार 12 घंटे काम कर सकता हूँ. I can work for 12 hours at a stretch. मुझ पर बुरी नज़र मत डालो. Don't put a hex on me. Don't put a hex on me. अपने तक ही रखना. Keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. तमीज़ से बात करो. Talk with manners. Talk with manners. मेरे बारे में फ़िक्र न करें. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. क्या आप मेरे साथ एक नेकी करेंगे? Will you do a favor to me? Will you do a favor to me? मुझे कोई खौफ नहीं. I have no fear. I have no fear. I have no fear. घर पर ठहरो. Stay at home. घर पर ठहरो. Stay at home. अच्छी तरह सो जाओ. Sleep well. Sleep well. मुझे अपना तारुफ कराने दीजिए. Let me introduce myself. Let me introduce myself. हम सब तैयार हैं. We all are ready. We all are ready. We all are ready. हरकत न करो. Don't move or do not move. मुझे परवाह नहीं. I don't care or I do not care. I don't care. नाराज न हो. Don't mind or do not mind. Don't mind. मैं आपसे डरता नहीं हूँ. I am not afraid of you. I am not afraid of you. I am not afraid of you. आप मुझे छू तक नहीं सकते. You can't even touch me. You cannot even touch me. आखिर तुम हो क्या? What you are. What you are. तो क्या हुआ? So what? तो क्या? So what? बात अपने तक ही रखना. Keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself.
Assalamu alaikum दोस्तों. Subscribe to our YouTube channel Speak English Fluently and click on the bell icon to receive my new notification first.